Hello and welcome, my friend. As every weekend, we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities as we saw, and we will enter in them. So if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel only about trading. We put a weekly video analyzing Forex market, a monthly video analyzing Bitcoin, and a monthly video analyzing the stock market. So if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notification. And if you are someone who been subscriber with us for long, make sure to go down and smash that like button to help us and to help our YouTube algorithm for other people to find us. And if you are someone who's searching for a trading strategy or a proven trading strategy, in the first comment there is a 85% couple link with the best selling course in Udemy. The course is going to take you step by step from scratch till you're going to be a pro trader. And by the way, that course in Udemy, it costs $200. If you're using the link down or the couple link down, you're going to get it only by £12.99. I think it's a very good deal. It's the price of a cup of coffee, my friend. So, before we even start, as every weekend, we came to analyze for you the news, my friend. So, let's go to my browser to analyzing for you the news. Here it is, my friend. As you see, also now we are in the news here. As you see here, from Monday 28 till 1st of April. So in Monday, what we got at 11 o'clock, there is news coming in UK. Governor Bailey speech, or Bailey is the head of Central Bank of England, is going to talk. In Tuesday, we got the Aussie retail sales at 12:30 midnight. Talking here about GMT time. And Wednesday, we got Harmonized Index, the one of Germany at 12 o'clock. At 12:15, we got EDP employment change. At 12:30, we got GDP of USA. That for Wednesday. And Thursday, 31 of March, we got at 6 o'clock of the morning GDP of UK, at 6 o'clock retail sales of Germany, and in Friday at 9 we got that HACP of Euro, and 12:30, that where is the madness is going to start, we got non-farm payroll, and at 2 o'clock we got ASM manufacturing of USA, and even services it came with it the same time. So be aware of all those things, my friend. I think that's it for the news. So let's go back to our broker to see what is it there, my friend. So the first pair we got, my friend, is the EURUSD, and the EURUSD will be last week here. Told you it's going to go up. It go up till here, then it fall down. And if you remember, we be in here, we tell you it's going to go up. It go up till here. And now the EURUSD given us here like a triangle, as you see it. But those things, I don't use them a lot in my trading because they always came too late. So my view for it this week, it need to come to touch here again, that level here. Then from here it will go up till it touching the top of the channel as we said it before. If you remember it, my friend. I think everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated. Levels we got, first level here 1.13816, another level here 1.12753, another level here 1.12057, another level here 1.11665, another level here 1.11111, another level here 1.10523, and that one here 1.08852, and that one here 1.07974. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So let me to analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see here, we be last week. We tell you it need to come up. It doesn't. Stay only ranging all the week here, as you see it. Now what our view, it need to come down to touch here. When it touching here, we will enter buy to upward, my friend. Take profit here at the overbought area, my friend. I think everything is too clear. So the other pair we got, my friend, it's the cable, my friend. And the cable, as you see, we used to be here last week. I told you it need to go up. It go up till here. If you remember me last week, I used to have a buy from here, from that level here, 1.30, 730 from here. I take profit here exactly in that level. By the way, if you want our daily free signals, you can join us in Telegram. You're going to find the link of our Telegram channel down in the description of this video. Join it before it's too late, because we're going to make it paid now for only for certain number of people. It's going to be free, so join it now before it's too late, my friend. What is it our view for it this week? Our view, it need to come down here to that level here. When it touching here, we will enter buy to upside to touch that channel. When it touch it, it's going to fall down more than that, my friend. I think everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. Levels we got. First level here, 1.35, 139. Another level here, 1.34, 736. Another level here, 1.34, 106. Another level here, 1.32, 867. Another level here, 1.32, 378. Another level here, 1.31, 793. And the one here, 1.30, 730. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So let me to analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, my friend, we used to be last week here. It came up here exactly. Me, I take profit. And me, I enter when it give me the divergence here. So me, I enter exactly from here. And I take profit here. Exactly here. That way me, I'm using RSI, my friend. Now it touch here, my view, it's need to fall down to touch here, down in the oversold area. When it's going to touch here in the oversold area, I'm going to enter buy to upside, my friend. I think everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated. Everything in front of you, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, it's the Aussie, my friend. And the Aussie, we make a mistake. Last week we used to be here, which always going to fall down. It doesn't. It go up till here. Now what is our view to it? Maybe from here it's going to go up till it touching that level here of 0.75848. Then from there it's going to drop, because it given us a divergence here in 4 hours and a divergence in daily. So my friend, I think everything is too clear. The levels we got, my friend, first level here, 0.75848. Another level here, 0.74709. Another level here, 0.74235. Another level here, 0.73464. Another level here, 0.72917. Another level here, 0.72473. And that one here, 0.71837. Those ones down without even to mention them, because the price is far away from them, my friend. I think everything is too clear. And by the way, if you want our highly recommended course, is it in the first comment of this course with a 85% discount. Go now and join the course. Go now and join the course. That course is highly recommended course, and it's best than million of courses you find online. They sell it to you by $1,000 or $500 or something. By the way, that course it will cost you only $10. I think 10 bucks is nothing, and it's 7-hour course with highly recommended money management, trading strategy, more than 3 hours live trading. Everything in that course is perfect. Go to it and join it. And even we give you the percentage of the trading strategy you're going to use. So my friend, let me to analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see here in that blue one, my friend, it's a divergence here in the chart and here in the RSI. So what's our view? Maybe it will come up and touch that divergence, or maybe from here it will fall down. If you enter short, take profit only here, the oversold area, my friend. I think everything is too clear till now. So the other pair we got, my friend, it's USD Japanese yen. Even that one we make a mistake from here last week. We said it's going to fall down, but it doesn't. It go up. We used to have here a triangle like that, if you remember it last week. It break it here, exactly in that level. Look how many pips it went up, my friend. But our view for this week, it needs to fall down again. Then maybe that level, then also will enter buy again. Or maybe you can enter from here, short as you want, my friend. Think everything is too clear till now. Levels we got. First level here, 122.013. Another level here, 120.705. Another level here, 119.927. Another level here, 118.342. Another level here, 117.340. Those ones down without even to mention them because the price is far away from them, my friend. I think everything is too clear. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see here in the RSI and here in the chart, my friend, we got a divergence. And even here, we got a small one here, exactly in that level. Here, we got a small divergence. And now the RSI is out of the overbought area. What's my view to it? It needs to fall down till here, till the oversold area. So it's the best time to enter short in it. If you enter short in it, always don't forget to put your stop loss or put your risk plan if you don't use it. Stop loss. If you want to know those things, as I told you, go to our course. Think everything is too clear, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, it's the gold, my friend. And the gold, if you remember, we used to be here last week. I told you it needs to come down till here, but it doesn't. And if you remember, I told you there is no sellers a lot. I told you it will stay ranging here, and that the scenario I think is going to happen. But also we are not going to enter buy unless if it touch in here, the down of that channel, my friend. When it touch it, we will enter. If you want us, when we enter exactly, you can join us in Telegram, my friend. So I told you the link of it is down in the description of this video. Go to it before it's too late. I will repeat it, go to it before it's too late. So my view to the gold, it will come down and touch here, the channel. When it touch it, we will enter buy, take profit in the top again, my friend. Think everything is too clear. So the levels we got, my friend. First level here, 2076.53. Another level here, 1992.95. Another level here, 1932.59. Another level here, 1903.47. And that one here, 1873.65. Those ones down without even to mention them, because price is far away from them, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here. Is it at the oversold area, but it doesn't touch that red trend line we make. So also we don't enter in it buy. Go up till it touch in here now. Now my view, it needs to fall down again till it touch in here, the oversold area. Yeah, we're not entering it buy unless if it touching my trend in the RSI. When it touch it, I'm going to enter buy, take profit upward, my friend. If you want me when I enter exactly, you can join me in Telegram where I give free signals, my friend. That's it for the gold, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, is Dragon or British Pound Japanese yen. That one, if you remember, we used to have here, and we still have it, the triangle, that one and that one. It's being broken here. When it's broken, look how many pips it went up. Watch my view to it. It will touch here that level of 161.870. Then from there it will fall down to touch here again. That's my view to it, because Japanese yen in the pair of USD Japanese yen, it gives us a divergence in daily and 4 hours. So our view, it will fall down. Even here is going to fall down. That's just my view, my friend. So if you enter, always enter with money management or a risk management plan. To know all those things, you can find it down in our course with a 85% couple length. In that course, by the way, there is 3 money management professional traders they use. Also, we are professional traders. Me and my team, we are professional traders. That's our job. That's what we're earning money from. If you want to learn from us, it's up to you. If you don't want, it's up to you, my friend. Levels we got. First level here, 161.870. Another level here, 159.863. Another level here, 159.039. Another level here, 157.351. And that one here, 156.103. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. If you remember that the analysis of us for last week, we tell you we are going to enter short when it touch in here. When it touch it touch here. Now is out. What our view? It needs to fall down here. When it touch in here, we are going to take profit, my friend. And let me to show you something extra here for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. If you see here in the RSI here, I'm going to show it to you. You stay tuned with me. Here and here and here. That a head and shoulders, my friend. That the neck level here. Let me delete those ones. That the neck level here. It's being broken here exactly in the RSI. When it's being broken here, in that level here, if fall down till here, then now he touch it again. If it's broken the lower here, that RSI, you can enter short again. Another thing, if you see here and here, that's a divergence, my friend. That YB I told you is going to fall down. So I think everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. Everything in front of you. If you want to join us, as you wish, my friend, you are so welcome. So that's it for that week, my friend. See you in the middle of this week when I'm going to put for you a Bitcoin analysis. Bye for now, my friend.